Because I wouldn't like the neighbors to be punished that much, they can be given a formal one.
Now, I can only urge our colleagues, any other time we have, any
2019, 2030, by leader of majority party. Proceed leader of majority party.
now, let us say in the future, before we get somewhere, when you are being...
When members of this county assembly breach the privilege of the county assembly, they do not only diminish the dignity of the county assembly, but also hinder the performance by the county assembly of its constitutional mandate.
I do not find any remorse expressed in the colleagues that are mentioned in this report, Mr. Speaker.
They probably would have given them a chance and be a little bit lenient and give them probably a chance to apologize, as opposed to sending somebody home for 6 months. At this time with COVID, Mr. Speaker, and we know what it means being at home and not having to sit in this house, Mr. Speaker.
Adua gesugo bara mari mamenya no ni mbara yukite ireterwa andu are othe mara supportaga governor kana ara mararegana impeachment ngakioria atiriri nika kwina watho rikuyu ati mundu agia ngurani na decision cia mbunge no nginya overithwe
ndengatwo mieri ina ndikae gukorwo ngiuka guku ku represent andu wakwa no nyende kwira andu uboro wama ni atiriri turabura ni undu ni twa supportire governor Waiguru vende ya impeachment to ni twarugamire nake kogu mbare no te ithuwe ni governor araburwa
itua riao ritire na uma na ritire na ground. Wa mbere ni gukorwa ati thutha wa gwetia evidences gutire evidence ndaheirwo onemwe na we mundu akware augite ni uri na mahitia ni agerirwo ni kureta evidence.